from the city of Denton. This is a DTV Newsbreak.
Hello, I'm Oscar Suarez for the City of Denton with this DTV Newsbreak. Thanks for joining us. The City of Denton Library is going to loan out mobile hotspots to residents. The devices will be available to check out for a period of 3 weeks at a time. With the device, patrons will be able to connect multiple devices to the internet in their home. The library intends to start checking out the mobile hotspots by February of next year. North Lakes Recreation Center shut the doors on its gymnasium for the rest of the year. This is due to a brand new gym floor installment, which will be ready for use at the start of the new year.
The floor just needed to be replaced. We use it a lot, so it had some wear and tear, and so, like I said, we had the opportunity to put in a flooring that matched what we do in this space. We use our basketball gymnasium for volleyball, basketball. We do all kind of sports agility types of classes, aerobic classes, so we're really super excited about it.
The Denton Fire Department reminds you to practice safety at home to prevent fire. Keep lit candles away from flammable objects and consider using flameless candles this year. Do not overload sockets and check for worn-out light cords and bulbs. And remember to keep your trees well watered indoors. That does it for this time. I'm Oscar Suarez. Thanks for watching. You can catch more city videos at youtube.com and remember to follow us on Twitter and Facebook.